Grumpy Monkey, Party Time, a sequel to the New York Times bestseller Grumpy Monkey by Suzanne Lang, illustrated by Max Lang. This is the title page. All those birds appear to be carrying something. Leaves. Looks like there's something on the leaves. I guess we'll have to read to find out what it is. Let's get started. One perfectly pleasant afternoon, Chimpanzee found an invitation on his branch. You can see him swinging there through the trees with his friend Norman. And it looks like that's what those leaves were, invitations. You are invited to Porcupine's party. That's what's written on the leaf. Party, said Jim. Does it sound like Jim's excited to go to the party? It'll be a great time, said Norman from next door. We can dance. Dance? Jim exclaimed, cutting Norman off. I can't dance. Can't dance? Everyone can dance, said Hyena. Come on, show us your moves. I don't have any moves, said Jim. Sure you do, said Hyena. You just need to try. So Jim tried to dance. See him moving his arms up and sideways. He's lifting his leg and his arms. He's trying hard, isn't he? You should have taken him at his word, Norman said to Hyena. The animals don't look very impressed with his dancing, do they? If Jim doesn't know how to dance, said Oxpecker, we'll just have to teach him. Everyone was excited to teach Jim how to dance. You've got to feel the beat, the lizard said. Stretch your stuff, said Ostrich. You got to shake your butt, said the baboons. He's doing it! He's dancing! Everyone cheered. Party time, said Norman, and they headed to Porcupine's party. At the party, everyone wanted to dance with Jim. Dance with us, said the ground squirrels. Care to shake a tail, Feather? Asked Peacock. May we cut in? Asked the warthogs. Me next, said Rhino. Jim danced and danced. Everyone on the dance floor was having a great time. Everyone except Jim. And then it got worse. Isn't this the best? Chirped Oxpecker. No, Jim said. This is not the best. It is the worst. I don't like dancing. The other animals stared in amazement. Whoever heard of someone who doesn't like dancing? Asked Oxpecker. Actually, said Water Buffalo, I don't like dancing either. But I never said anything because I thought I was the only one. I know others enjoyed themselves, but I always feel silly on the dance floor. I'd rather do something else, squawked Marabou. To be honest, chimed in Bat, dance floors are always too loud for my taste. I'm going home, Jim said, and he turned to go and bumped smack into Norman. You're not leaving, are you? Asked Porcupine. Everyone at this party wants to dance, said Jim, but we don't like dancing. It's not for everyone, Norman agreed. Oh, but now I'll have too much food, said Porcupine sadly. Oh, Porcupine, we did not mean to upset you, Jim paused. Wait, there's food at this party? And indeed there was lots of wonderful food. Maggot salad, fruit bowl, pineapple pudding, fly pot pie, flour cake, gluten-free, more bananas, seed dumplings, and plenty of games too. Bobbing for mangoes, puddle splash off, swing along, shake that tree. and tag. And so they stayed at the party. Jim enjoyed the wonderful food. He laughed with his friends. He even played a game or two. But he did not dance. It was a great time.